Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to recover permanently deleted files on Windows using unique tool iFindit. So you had some files on your computer, which can be documents, audio files, Excel sheets, Word files, or even videos. No matter what data you had, and you deleted them permanently, thinking they are useless, and even the recycle bin is empty. Well, don't worry, because in this video, we'll teach you how to recover permanently deleted files on Windows. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Method of recovery. To recover our permanently deleted files, we'll be using another excellent data recovery software, unique tool iFindit. Unique tool iFindit supports various file types and boasts a high recovery success rate. After installing unique tool iFindit, open the application. Then, click on PC and hard drive recovery and select the folder or location where you permanently deleted your files from. Now, unique tool iFindit will scan your location for all the data that were stored before it was deleted. Once the process completes, select the files that you want to recover and click on the Recover button. Next, you will need to select the location where you want to paste in your recovered files. After that, let's check if the files are back or not. To recover all permanently deleted files, you may need to purchase a license. You can see all the permanently deleted files are restored successfully without any issues. Check the video description for the download link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to download unique tool iFindit from the link in the description and give it a try. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more useful content. See you in the next one.